The default sort order out of the box for your product page is by position. Okay, and what that means is you dictate in the category what position products appear. Right, so let's see what that looks like for the luggage category on the back end of the store. So I'm just going to go to manage categories. I'll go into luggage and I go to category products. Okay, so this is where the sort order is defined, and it's defined by this column here, position. And you'll notice that every single product is in position 1. So really, when we look at this page here, we have no sort order at all. Everything has got an equal weighting when it comes to the position. Now the position is based on the lowest number. Okay, the lowest number by default will appear in the first position, or when you reverse the sort order, it will appear in the last position. Okay, so if I wanted to make sure that this colour suitcase was in the top position, I need that number to be lower than any other number, right? But we haven't got a lot to work with here. Everything's been marked as 1. So really, if I want to dictate the order of this page, I need to go through and say what I want in position 1, what I want in position 2, and so on. But actually, better practice is do these in tens. Okay, so I would always do position 10, maybe for the luxury leather flight bag, I want that in position 20. Unless I fill in all of these other options, these are now going to be the 2 last items. So I need to go through and number every single product. Okay, so maybe go 30, 40, 50, 60, and finally 70. Okay, so I've now numbered all of the items, and I've said that the first product I want is the colour suitcase, the second product I want is the luxury leather flight bag, the last product I want is the Montego Bay luggage small. So I'll save that. So now if we refresh, okay, actually the sort order is in the wrong way around. So now if we refresh, we can see that we have the luggage colour is first, that's second, and the Montego Bay luggage is third. Okay, that's fine. It's a relatively small category, but it's not uncommon to have 50, 60, 100, 500 products in a category. It depends on the store that you're running, and that becomes kind of impractical. So there's another option that you've got. So I'll choose a different category to do this with. I'll choose the holiday essentials. Actually, no, I won't. I'll choose sun cream, and we've got the same issue there with all of these products in position 1. Now, majority of these products I may not be concerned about what position they're in, but there's a couple of products in there, maybe 3 products in there, that I want to make sure appear at the top of the page. Okay, so there's a little kind of hack, if you like, to do that, to create hero products, and this is how I would do it. I'm going to suggest that I want the sun cream and the Pisboon sun lotion and the spray tan lotion to be the first 3 items on there. Well, the number has to be lower than 1. I can actually use minus numbers on this. So what I could do is say, okay, I want the after sun to be the first product, so maybe I make that minus 100. I want this Pisboon SPF 20 to be the second product, so I make that minus 90, and the third product I want this spray on suntan lotion, so I make that minus 80. Okay, so I could go on and add some more in there, but I'll leave it at that. So actually we've got no concern about these other products, just these 3 products. We want them to be our hero products, so I'll save that. Okay, now we'll go to sun cream, and you can see that the after sun, the SPF 20 and the spray on suntan lotion are the first 3 products that appear, and the rest appear in no particular order. Okay, so what about if we want a different element to sort by? Well, pretty much any attribute can be sorted by. Not all attributes are against all products, So you need to just be aware of that. But you may want to create your own attribute to have a sort by configuration. You may want to sort by color, for example. And in which case it was sort by color in alphabetical order. If you wanted to pick an attribute to become a sort by option, there is a front end property. So I'm going to take something that's common across all products, which is weight. Now, there's probably not much call for sorting products by weight when you're looking to purchase them. However, it just does show this as an example of how you can enable it. So I'm going to find our weight field, and if I go down to the front end properties, you can see here the very last option is used for sorting in product listings. Select that as yes, and we'll just refresh this page. You can now see that weight is an option within that drop down list. So if I select that, what it will do is it will start off by sorting that in ascending order, so the heaviest item first through to the lightest, and that is dependent on what you have put against the product in this weight field here. Okay, so that'll be your that'll be what defines which is the heaviest product and which is the lightest.